Alrighty, hey there, it's Mr. Biggers here, and I'm going to show you how you can access our textbook, find your missing assignments, and submit your missing assignments, okay? So, if we go ahead and click into your math class with me, you might have me for geometry, algebra, algebra 2, or something else. Whatever it is, you're going to see this page, okay? It's going to look similar to this. And on the side, you're going to have a McGraw-Hill link, okay? So this is how you would access your textbook. So go ahead and click that link. And once you click into it, you're going to be automatically logged in under your name. And you're going to see your Alex for our course. And you're also going to see the geometry or whatever textbook you have for our course. So if you want to access the textbook, you're going to click over on the beetle for geometry. I think it's a basketball for algebra 2, and it's a jellyfish for algebra 1. So you'll click on your book, not Alex. And then from here, if you want to see a copy of your paper book at home, you're going to do the student edition ebook. It's important that you do not click the interactive book because it's not going to look the same. Okay, from here, it's going to open up your book and you can see a table of contents on the side with all of the modules and all of the sections available to you there. So that's how you can access your textbook. So let's talk about missing assignments, okay? So first off, on my courses, you're going to see a week at a glance every single week. So you know what to do and you know what to expect, okay? So if you're absent, there's no reason that missing work should not get in unless there's some sort of an emergency going on. Please communicate that to me though, so that way I know. But otherwise, everything is here for you on Canvas. So you can see this week on Monday, we didn't have school, all right? So what if you missed Tuesday and you need to make up this lesson 1 for day 2, distance on a grid in other places? Okay, well, easily here you can see that there's an assignment button. So this is going to take you to the name of the assignment and exactly what it is. The page numbers, where it's at, when it was originally due, and it's going to give you some tips and tricks to get that done. Also under here, you're going to see a couple videos to help you, okay? Well, say you're the type of person where the videos didn't help you. Well, you know you're on 1 for day 2, right? Okay, so what you're going to do is you can click on modules. And if you go to module 1, book and notes, you know we're on lesson 1-4. So if you go into 1-4 here, which is distance, you will see the completed notes. What you're going to want to do is find the last modified date, so the most recent date to where you are now. And you're going to want to click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to see the notes that we took in class. So if you missed these notes in class, you still know what to do and how to do it, even if the videos didn't help you, okay? So that is how you can see any notes that we take in class. Even if we have a worksheet with some notes, they're still in the same spot. So once you're done looking at the notes, you can close out of that tab, and then we have to get back to the assignment. Well, how did we get to the assignment? There's 2 ways. There's actually 3 ways you can. The first way would be if you're still on the current week, it's going to be right here. So you could just click on the assignment from here. The other way would be to go to modules, weekly work, one-stop shop. From here, you're going to see that exact same thing that you saw on the first page, but you're also going to see previous weeks as well. Okay, so make sure you are catching up on your missing work, even if it's in a previous week. What's an easier way to see my missing assignments, though? Well, the cool thing about me is every grade that is in Canvas is also on the info system. So there's a couple ways you can do this. So the first thing you could do is hop into your info system, and you're going to see all your grades in my class if you click on me. So anything that is an incomplete is something that should have been done and you were present to get that assignment done. If it is not turned in and it's incomplete and you were present, it will have a late credit applied if you turn it in late. For other assignments, though, you can scroll through here and you might see, okay, 1-4 day 2 is a 0 out of 10. Well, why is that? Well, you can look over here at the individual comments. It says 0 due to absence. Please make up assignment ASAP for full credit. So if you're absent, you're going to have the ability to turn in something late for full credit, as long as it is either before the quarter deadline or the progress report deadline. So that's one way to see what you're missing. The other way, like I said, everything's also in Canvas. So you can click your grades on Canvas really quick, and you can easily see, okay, if I'm missing that, that means that I was there and I should have turned it in. And if you have a 0 for something, there's normally going to be a comment on the side. And if you click that, I'm going to have notes for you, okay? So this is how you can access that missing assignment as well. Okay, so I have a 0 out of 10 for this. So I need to click on the assignment here. This is where you can submit your assignment. But how do you see what to do? Okay, well, if you look at the top, it has 1-4 day 2 right there. Click on that and it's going to jump you right into the assignment. This is how you are going to know what you need to make up, okay? Now remember the previous steps I told you. How to get to your book, how to access the notes, the helpful videos on this page, okay? So this specific assignment is page 31 through 33. And then I have the numbers here. So remember how to access that book when you're at home. You click the McGraw-Hill link. Once that loads up, you're not going to click Alex, and you are instead going to click the geometry book or whatever class you're in. From there, you are going to be able to click the student edition ebook. Remember, not the interactive, okay? Once you click the student edition ebook, you can navigate your table of contents on the side. So we're in, if we look back at the assignment, 1-4 day 2, and I know I need to be on page 31 and 33. Okay, so let's find 1-4 right here. And then it looks like I'm on page 27 if you look down here. And let me try to make this a little bigger so you can see. So yeah, it looks like I'm on page 26. So I have to go over some pages. Now I'm on 32. We need 31. Okay, so this is how you can access your book. If you want to see 2 pages, you can have that 2-page view, or you can click this button for a single page view. You can also zoom in if you're hard at seeing, and you can navigate around the book like that. And what you would do then is you would answer the required questions of you on notebook paper or a scratch paper. I really don't care what it looks like. And then once you're finished with that, you would come back to the assignment on Canvas, hit Start Assignment, and then you can upload a file or use your webcam. So for this example, I'll just use my webcam. Make sure you allow the use of your camera. And it's going to pop up here, hopefully. Okay, there's me. And so then you could just hold up your assignment, make sure that it's clear and it's able to be seen. This is just an ad. It's not the actual assignment. And then you can submit multiple photos, okay? So that is how you can submit makeup work. You can also do this on your phone and submit the assignment. You can put any comments here that you want me to see as well, or you could just submit the missing work in person. Either way, that's for you. I want to make it the easiest possible way for you, so that way we can make sure you succeed and pass my class. So I hope that helped you access the book online, and I also hope that helps you keep on missing work. Thank you for watching.